welcome back to my channel. This is Kadi and my name is Kadi. Today's video is me showing you how to create your digital vision board using Canva, guys. So if that's what you are here for, stay tuned to this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kadi and this is Kadi. My channel is about history, music, tourism and lifestyle. So guys, this video is about how to create your vision board using Canva. It's a digital vision board. I've already explained what vision board is, why you should have a vision board, and how to things you put on your vision board. You can check it in my video. I've put the link in the description. I've put the link in the card. So guys, let's jump right into creating a vision board using Canva. I'm going to share my screen with you guys now.
So what we'll be using is Pinterest and Canva. Well, the first we need Pinterest for us to go and get our pictures. So if you don't have Pinterest, you can download the picture on Google or any platform where they have free pictures. So the first step you want to do is to search for the idea that you are looking for. It can be travel around the world, it can be build my house, it can be different things, YouTube gadgets, to mention a few. So once you search for it, pictures come out, like pictures that you are interested in using comes out. For example, I want to travel to Seoul, South Korea. So different pictures have come out on South Korea. I just go ahead to save a picture and save it for when I want to use it. Okay, so this is me searching for South Korean picture that I can use, and then when I see the one I can use, I go ahead to save it, okay, or download it, which you can see me do. So I've downloaded the image, yes, and then I'm going to go to the next one, which is create digital product. Okay, so I want to sell digital product this year, and I'm just going to look for something that can show that I want to create digital product this year. It goes ahead, so I'll just keep searching for the things I need so that I can get the pictures. So one of my goals this 2022 is to get at least 1,000 subscribers. So I go ahead to search for the 1,000 subscribers, and then I also want to go to the beach for vacation. So this is a picture that I'm going to use because I like it. And then after that, I save the picture and I put get a job, which I've gotten, and I've saved the picture. So the next is to move to Canva, where I'll do the designs. So first, there are 3 ways to create your vision board. We create it using a template, which is this, or you can create from scratch. So these are different templates of vision board I just want to show you. So we have 3 types of vision board. We have the vision board that is just words. We have vision board that is with words and charts, and then we have vision board with pictures. These are samples that I'm showing you. You find them in Canva. And then we have vision boards with pictures and words. So this is a vision board. So this is a vision board template that you can see me use. So I've selected the template that I like. After selecting the template, I go ahead to search for pictures on Canva that I want to use. So for my health, I want to do exercises. For my finances, I want to save up to 50% of my salary. For my relationship, probably get a boyfriend or more. So then for family, I just want to be with my family to make sure everybody is happy, which you can see in that picture. And then for travel, I definitely want to tour the world, but then I'll start first with Nigeria and visiting new places like museums, to mention a few. So I didn't like that picture I used for my boyfriend, so I changed it. And then I go ahead to for knowledge, I want to get my PhD. That's for knowledge, and then for personal, I want to spend time taking care of myself, which is self-care, and I look for a picture for self-care, and then I do this. Okay, so for knowledge, I want to read a lot of books. I want to explore books, different genres, to mention a few. So now these template is ready. Okay, so I've saved it in my picture. So we're going to go to the next vision board. So this is we're going to create it from. So you go ahead to open a blank document, and then you search for text. You go to your text and select the text you want to use. I've selected the text I wanted to use, so I change it to words that I want to use, which is vision board 2022. I go ahead to like arrange it the way I want. So after typing it, I shrink the size by dragging it from the edge, and then I like lengthen it so that it can come in the way I want. And then I go ahead to check for the picture that I want to use. So I select it, and I click on upload. So because I've uploaded the pictures before, I just have to select it and then resize it. And after resizing it, I drag it to the edge. I select the next picture, and then I go ahead to resize it. Okay, so after resizing it, I place it, and I just keep doing this for the remaining pictures that I'm going to keep adding to make sure it comes out the way I want. So after like adding all the pictures that I want to add and arranging it, I go ahead to fill in it with my text. So it's still the same text I'm using, so part of my vision for 2022 is to get YouTube gadgets, to travel around the world, to take care of myself, which is my self-care, and to start a new business, to mention a few. So guys, this is what it looks like. I have I've started a new business already, and I've gotten a new job, so at least 2 of my list is done already. So guys, I hope it's helpful.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and turn on the notification button. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope you create your vision board. You can tag me when you create your vision board, guys. Thank you. Bye.